So the first task is about importing CSV in a new worksheet. So we need to make sure that we have downloaded case1.csv from the As You Learn folder. And then we need to import the data from case1 CSV to a new worksheet and make sure the first row shows as headers. So I've already downloaded that. So I'm going to go to data. The data tab, get and transform data is the section that we need to look at. For importing, you see from text or CSV option is right here. So let's go ahead and hit that. And then I'm going to browse for the file that we have. So case, I'm going to go to wherever I have saved it. In your case, you can save it in the downloads. So I'm just going to go look for the file, case1.csv. Then this option comes up. So it says the delimiter is comma, which is fine, and it's going to make the decision for data. I'm going to click on transform data. More options will appear. And by the way, these set of options may look different on different versions of Excel. So the overall idea, however, will stay the same, even if your look and feel is not the same. So then I'm going to make sure use first row as header is checked. And then we have to load it to a new worksheet. So I'll say close and load to a new worksheet and hit OK. So my data is now loaded in a new worksheet. It's called case 1. The instruction didn't talk about where to put it, as in what worksheet or worksheet name. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And we have imported this as a table. And our first row is a header. Let's go to the next worksheet called import text file. In this one, we have to import a tab separated file or a text file, but the text file needs to be imported in the cell A5. So the data is going to be starting from A5 in the same worksheet. Again, we have to make sure the first row shows as headers. So I'm going to the data tab, use the same option, text or CSV. This time I'm going to get this text document, case 2, import, and then go to transform data and use first row as headers. Then I'm going to close and load to not a new worksheet. In this case, I'm loading into the existing worksheet. And which cell do we want it to be? In A5. So let's select A5 and hit OK. In case it's not selected, you can go ahead and select it. And hit OK. So now all the data is going to be in the same worksheet.